Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Prasad Rane. This is the first lesson of my Git tutorial series. This tutorial is for someone who is starting out with learning Git. No prior programming knowledge is required to follow this tutorial. So let us begin. Today we will learn what is Git, what is a version control system, why is a version control system used, who should be using it, what are the various version control systems available, why Git is the best choice. But before we begin, let me ask you a question. Do you know who is the creator of Git and what is the story behind creation of Git? Watch this video till the end for the answer. What is Git? Git is a version control system. It is a software. What is a version control system? Let me explain this with a scenario. This is Bob. Bob is working on a document which he needs to present to his boss by the end of the day. He adds the write-up and necessary details and saves it. This is the first version of the document. Meanwhile, Bob's colleague visits his desk and Bob asks him to review the document. Bob's colleague suggests some changes that might make the document better. Bob thinks the suggestions are good and adds them in his document. This is the next version of the document. Bob completes the document and presents it to his boss. His boss, on reviewing the document, suggests some changes. Bob figures out that with the changes suggested by his boss, the document would be same as his first version. But unfortunately, he has overwritten that version of the document. He now has to redo the changes all over again. Bob learns from this experience and decides that he will maintain backup version of his files just in case he wants to revert to the previous changes. This strategy works well for some time, but after a few weeks his desktop is littered with multiple versions of the same file. These files are occupying his hard disk space and he is afraid of deleting any of these as he has lost track of which files are important and which was the final version. Moreover, he is not able to tell what the difference between version is unless he goes through each file. Bob discovers that he has made his own life worse. Here comes a version control system to your rescue. Version control system solves this problem by maintaining your backups in an organized manner abstracted away from you. When backing up your files, you need to tell the version control system what changes you have done. Whatever you write will be maintained in the version control system as logs. When you want to retrieve a backup, you can ask the version control system to list all the backups available in it. You can then request for a specific version. The version control system will present you that version of backup and you can also view the logs that you had written while backing up. You can also compare the changes between this version and any other version. To put it simply, the most basic function of a version control system is to maintain versions of your objects. The objects can be file, a folder, or multiple folders. Who should be using a version control system? Now that we have understood what a version control system is, let's see who should be using it. Although version control system originate from the need to efficiently maintain large software projects, version control systems can be used by anyone who needs to iterate over a file or a project. For example, electronics engineers can use it for maintaining their schematics and other PCB CAD files. Architects can use version control system to maintain versions of their building designs and so on. What are the various version control system softwares available? Git, SVN, Perforce, and there are many more. If you are starting out with version control, then it is best to start with Git. It is free and there is a lot of material available online if you need help. But the single most compelling reason for choosing Git is GitHub. It has so many free and open source projects that you can use and learn from. A thing worthy of mentioning here is GitHub and Git are not the same. Git is a version control system software and GitHub is a web hosting service that runs Git on its servers and provide it as a service to its users. If you don't get the difference, don't worry. Just remember that Git is a free and open source software and GitHub is a service provider. Now coming to the answer of the question that I asked in the beginning of this video. It was Linus Torvald that started the creation of Git. Linus is a software engineer and most famously known for starting the creation of the Linux kernel. The Linux kernel developer community was using a version control system prior to Git, but the creator of that VCS pulled out the free version after a dispute with some of the engineers within the community. Linus then tried searching elsewhere for a VCS but could not find one which satisfies his requirement. His requirements were that it should be fast, reliable, and scalable. Finally, he set out creating a new VCS, which is Git. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.